Hello traders, I hope you had a wonderful day today. I'm back here with my best analysis and the best trade of the day. Today is the 7th of April, Wednesday 2021. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you how I analyze market today. Right, so just quickly recap traders. These are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis and with the live audio commentary support. If you would like to know how I analyze market live and trade through this system, please watch that video. Link is given in the video description. Let's move straight to the three major currency pair and let's see it in Euro USD. If you look at 4-hour and if you look at yesterday, as I mentioned, we had this beautiful channel breakout, and after the breakout we were expecting another. You can see here price nicely broken yesterday. After the breakout we had this breakout and we had a 2 pullback long trade on Euro USD. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. As you can see, we had only one analysis this morning around just before London Open. As explained to my trader, we should be looking this sideways market as soon as the price is gonna, because the price was at this level in 4-hour, and as you can see the price nicely broken this consolidation and beautiful after the breakout. As always, pullback long trade based on the momentum. So we had a 2 beautiful long trade today on Euro USD. Bank beautiful pips on Euro USD. All right, so if you look at the situation right now, we can see here we have very nice rejection, bullish rejection at the resistance level, and let's see if the price is going to respect. We might going to see another pullback. If the price gonna break this one, then probably gonna be taking a pullback short here or pullback long. We'll let you know tomorrow about Euro USD. Okay, let's move on to the pound dollar quickly, guys. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, and today I was expecting, after this candle, I was expecting we might going to see some, pullback. We had a counter long trade this morning, and afterward at the New York session, just before the New York session, you can see here we had a beautiful rejection, bearish engulfing candle, and afterwards we had a long trade, counter long trade, and afterwards we had a beautiful short trade on pound dollar. Let me share with you the 4-hour intraday analysis on pound dollar. And if you look at here, because we're watching in 4-hour based on that, this morning, just let me share with you. This morning I was expecting a pullback short trade here, and that's what I did analysis, that the first priority would be the pullback short. As you can see, the London just before London Open, but there is still possibility price might going to break this level. But as I always explain to my trader, if the price is going to break this level, but we need a confirmation, which I explained through live audio commentary as well. As you can see here, price broken. We did not see any red candle here. Price broken, and after the breakout, price retest, we had a counter long trade this morning on pound dollar. And I also updated that analysis later on as soon as the price developed another pattern. You can see here same analysis, but as I explained to my trader, look for this safest way. If the price gonna break this support, taking a short trade. If the price gonna break long trade here, you can see here price broken this one, beautiful long trade, counter long trade as soon as the price hit 200 EMA. And you can see here we take another counter long trade, this candle, and bank beautiful pips as soon as the price came here as hit to the 200 EMA. This was the analysis at the London morning session. So when I started my New York session, we already had these big moves, as you can see here, and afterwards when the price hit to the support level in 4-hour, if you look at here, that's the level, and you can see here that's the level previously respected price here, and we're expecting some counter long trade here, which I explained to my trader that more likely you might going to see the counter long trade, but the safest way to, if the price gonna break. If you look at here, we have inverted let me change. We have inverted head and shoulder pattern was developed at that time. So we have counter long trade on pound dollar when the price respected here, and we were expecting this level. You can see here, that's the level which I explained to my trader to bank some profit and look for short trade here and pull back, which is already explained to my trader before that. Let me share with you that analysis which I already mentioned. You can see here, this is the trade when I see the price was moving this level, and I said to guys, need a patient, and we're expecting a pullback at this level, but the price went straight down, develop a head and shoulder pattern. As I said to you guys, we constantly monitoring the price patterns in intraday. You can see here we had a valid inside inverted head and shoulder pattern. Price broken the recent high, beautiful counter long trade, and based on the previous analysis we mentioned, it's time to bank some profit. So as soon as we bank some profit here, you can see mentioned to bank some pips, and afterwards we did, based on this analysis which I mentioned, to look for another short trade here. As you can see here, the price broken in the 4-hour, and we're looking at the pullback, which you can see we had a nice beautiful pullback short trade here. So we had a both long and short based on the 4-hour, watching in 4-hour, watching on a major resistance and support level based on the intraday price action patterns. That's give us the confidence. We refine our entries and exit in intraday and bank beautiful pips both long and short as an intraday trading. So we had a beautiful trades on pound dollar today, amazing pips. Right, so right now you can see we had a very strong bearish momentum. There's still possibility price might going to hit this level, and tomorrow, let me change. Let's see if the price is going to respect this level, expecting another pullback long here at this level. And you can see here, this is another level which you can see here price respected previously, and a possibility of pullback short. So being an intraday trading, as I said to you guys, we always look here in our intraday system and we see what sort of pattern is developed. If that pattern coordinate with the 4-hour price action, and that's why we basically take position accordingly. All right, let's move on to the dollar CAD, guys. Dollar CAD, look at the 4-hour chart, as I mentioned yesterday about this channel, and if we see the rejection, pullback short, otherwise breakout, and we're going to be keep taking a pullback long. That's what we did today. We had a 2 beautiful long trade in intraday based on the 4-hour price action, bank beautiful pips. Let me share with you the intraday analysis of dollar CAD. So you can see here this one analysis I did last night, and as soon as the market basically developed another pattern, as soon as I finished my recording, I did this analysis and we had a beautiful breakout long trade, bank beautiful pips, and afterwards, after banking the pips, I did another analysis just before London Open. You can see here, look for another pullback. Pretty straightforward, not rocket science, pullback long. So what happened here? Price came back here as explained in the analysis, and as I mentioned here in the analysis, the momentum is bullish, so we should be looking bullish. And I also explained the price has broken the structure. Whenever the price break the structure, then we should be banking beautiful pips on pullback. Price came back, hit and developed a pullback as mentioned on the analysis. This was the London morning session, beautiful pips, and afterwards I explained to them to look for another pullback. So what happened here? As you can see here, price exactly came to this level, develop another pullback, and as soon as the price hit this level, bank beautiful another few pips. So we had a beautiful, after this structure breakout and channel breakout, beautiful pullback, 2 pullback longs. Actually we had a 1 breakout trade, which as I mentioned you last night, and 2 beautiful pullbacks at the New York session, London morning, and the New York session. So this was the breakout here, and this was the pullback in London morning session. This was the New York session, pullback long trade. So you can see how we analyze market in high time frame price action, how we refine our entries and exit in intraday system. So this is all happening in real time. So we, as soon as the price develop pullback, we broadcast that information through live audio commentary. As soon as the price hit to the certain level, we broadcast that information through live audio commentary and through the analysis to update our trader. It's time to bank some profit. So this is all happening in real time. That's the beauty. All right, guys, that's it for now. We had a beautiful analysis. Most of the pairs bank beautiful pips, and let me share with you the euro pound. You can see here this morning I explained to trader look for counter short trade, but the safest explained these patterns. For safest based patterns, we had a short trade here. Look here, short trade, and look at this one, beautiful pullback long. What happened here? When the price developed another double bottom, momentum long, and that's what we explained to trader through analysis. We train trader through analysis, price action, beautiful long trade, beautiful pips on euro pound. So this is what we happen every single day live. All right, guys, that's it. So I hope you enjoy all these analysis details, and if you would like to see all that analysis in real time alongside with the live audio commentary support, even if you don't have forex trading experience, we provide full forex coaching and training through this platform. As I always mention, my objective is to train traders with the live market, and train them with the price action, high time frame, explain them how to refine our entries and exit in intraday system. And if they need help, we provide support and help with the live market. So that's my main objective. Or even if you are struggling, I'm pretty sure you can develop your trading skills very effectively, very fast. Not only this one, we also provide trading funds to the successful trader through this platform. Or even if you're an experienced trader, as you have seen, this is all price action trading based on the 4-hour and through our intraday system. I'm pretty sure you're gonna love banking pips alongside with my professional trader. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed, and I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. All the best.